Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check out your membership card on the Heinemann application that you can use in order to get coupon codes and so on. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, and after that you should tap on this card button down below, which is the third option. So here you can see your QR code and your membership number that you can use. So this is your card, including your name and all of the relevant information that you need when you are shopping. So you should need to use it each time you're purchasing something. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.